welcome to my channel. Today I am making a delicious traditional Dominican soup with cow foot that is called cocido de pata de vaca. Yes, cocido. So this month in February 27 we are celebrating Dominican Independence Day, so I'm going to be cooking a lot of traditional Dominican meal. I already have a different way to make this dish. Today I'm making it without the bones, the cow foot without the bones. So I hope you enjoy this delicious recipe and learn something from the Dominican culture. The Dominican flat is the only flat that look like this. Gorgeous. It has the name of God and the freedom. Oh, there's nothing more beautiful than this beautiful flat you see here. Let's make this recipe step by step. And here we have this beautiful cow feet. We are going to wash it real good with vinegar, lime, and lemon and salt. And we are going to put it to boil with garlic and bay leaf. That's all you need. 2 or 3 garlic cloves and 2 bay leaf, and let it boil in the pressure cooker. And they're nice and clean, and I put the 3 bay leaf and the 2 garlic cloves, and we are gonna let it boil in the pressure cooker. And I put it on the pressure cooker for 30 minutes. It's nice and tender, and I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit, and then we are going to make the stew. So I put the liquid where I boiled the feet in the refrigerator. And turn into jello, and that is so all the fat could go to the top and it will be easy to remove it. That's what I'm going to do right now. So here what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to remove all of the bones from our feet, and I'm just going to take the bones out, because all of the flavor and the nutrients that it was on the bone is on that water already. And here I have the first ingredient that I'm going to be adding to our pot. So here we have some pumpkin, some cassava, and some potatoes, and 2 stems of celery. I used the end of it, I left it as a whole, and the whole stem I chopped it and cut it in pieces. And here I have 1 cup of rotini, and I'm going to use it to give a little thick consistency. I normally put garbanzos, but I don't have any, so I like to improvise when I don't have one ingredient. I substitute for another. So this will be our substitute for the garbanzos. And here I have 1 onion, cut it in 2. I have it's a piece of Italian pepper, red pepper, and green pepper, ajicito gustoso, and 2 bay leaf. I have 3 big cloves of garlic, fresh garlic, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a chicken cube, and half a teaspoon of turmeric, and half a teaspoon of adobo. Here I have a big nut with cilantro, culantro, oregano. I have green onions, the stem with the leaf that I show you with the celery. I also put it here, and the cilantro and the culantro is gonna add a nice flavor. Also the green onions and the stem from the celery. So now we're gonna add all of these to a pot that I already added 2 cups of water. Now I already have it in the stove, and what's gonna happen is that I'm gonna add all of this. Also I'm gonna add the water where I put the boil the cow feet, and I'm also going to be adding all the veggies that I show you, so it could boil in the pasta. And we already removed the bones, and now we're going to add it or soup. Thank you for staying until the end. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe and I hope you learned something for the Dominican culture today. Don't forget to subscribe, activate the notification bell so YouTube can notify you whenever we have a new recipe. Thank you for staying until the end. God bless you and I see you in the next video. Happy Dominican Independence Day and happy Dominican Heritage Month.